Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. I'm going to fry salmon for you. I'm going to marinate the salmon with 4 different marinations and I'm going to fry it in the pan. I had shown you previously baked salmon and today I'm going to fry the salmon. So let's see the marinations. First marination, I'm going to use green chilies, dhania, which is cilantro, and garlic, salt and lime. I'm going to use salt and lime in all the 4 marinations. The second marination, I'm going to use garlic powder, red chili, hot red chili powder and black pepper and salt and lime. Third marination, I'm going to use the same three, black pepper, red chili, garlic, and I'm going to use a brown sugar BBQ rub. If you don't have this, you can just add some brown sugar and some extra chili powder and black pepper powder. Okay, that's the third one. And the fourth marination, I'm going to use all these 3: green chili, cilantro, fresh garlic and pineapple. If you don't have fresh pineapple, you can use some pineapple juice. So let's start the marination. I'm going to grind the green chili, dhania and garlic first with salt for the first marination. Add some salt to it. Okay, this is the first marination. Okay, so the next is the pineapple one. So the same ingredients. I'm adding garlic, chili powder and cilantro, and I'm going to add some pineapple. I have some chopped pineapple. How much ingredients to add is up to you, up to your taste. Let me add some salt. Okay, this is the pineapple marination. I'm going to cut the salmon into 4 pieces. Okay, let's do the first one. The green chili, cilantro and garlic. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon, squeeze some lime. You already put salt in the marination. You can just taste this a little bit if it's enough. It's plenty of salt, so you don't have to add salt to this. The quantity of salt also, it's up to your taste. Just rub it nicely. That's one. Let's put it aside. Just going to sprinkle some salt. Turn the other side. Then add the black pepper, and then red chili powder, so this is the second one done, and let's do the third one. I just squeezed some lime on it and some salt. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I forgot to put the garlic powder in the second one, so I'm just going to add some now. The third marination is the one with the brown sugar BBQ Rub. So that's the third one. Final one is the pineapple marination. Pineapple, green chili, cilantro, and fresh garlic. Salt in this. When we ground the spices, we had put salt, so we don't have to. Marinations are done with 4 different marinations. The longer you marinate, the tastier your fish will be. You can marinate it anyway from half an hour to 3 hours. It's been actually about 2 hours. I'm going to fry it now. You can also bake this at 400 degrees for about half an hour covered, and the last 6-7 minutes you can bake it uncovered. This piece is the one with the BBQ Rub. This piece is with chili powder but no BBQ Rub. Fry at low heat 3 minutes on each side. This piece is the green chili one without the pineapple. And this is the pineapple one. Let's turn it and see. It's not burning actually, the marination is getting burned. Cook at low heat or medium low, 3 minutes on each side. Okay, this is done. I think this is done. This is the green chili one. This is the pineapple one. Okay, let's just taste this a little bit. Look at that. It's nice and juicy inside. Let me taste it. Excellent. Perfectly flavored. And this one, see, this the one looks burnt, but inside it's so nice and juicy. See, it's nice and juicy. Delicious. And this is the brown sugar one. Again, even though it looks burnt, you can see it's so soft and moist inside. It's so soft and flaky inside. when you bake or fry salmon, this is how it should be. It should be flaky. The brown sugar rub really adds a unique flavor to it. Excellent. And this is the pineapple one. See inside? This is how it should be. It should be nice and juicy. Very mildly sweetened. It has the pineapple flavor to it. Really makes it very delicious. Excellent. I hope you enjoy the show, and I will be back with another interesting and healthy recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.